That's what I try to do with my students too. Let them drive their own research and let them drive their own design because that really comes from their own passion and that will be really theirs, not told by other people to what to do.
Well, I will say too that it's also to prepared you to be an excellent mentor because I know faculty who you have mentored who have spoken highly of your ability to mentor them as tenure track new assistant professors and you're very well respected. And
Oh, thank you. Thank you for saying that.
oh,
And that's kind of my, what I receive, I try to give back to Allah, give people to have that freedom and be themselves rather than tell them what to do.